First of all, I would like to congratulate the awardees at doon sa yung ating the decorations that we have just given, the gold crosses, silver crosses, and the bronze cross for their good work. Because we all know, alam naman natin na siguro sa buhay natin di pa tayo nakakita, kagaya na nangyari sa atin sa nakarang ilang linggo, na 6 na bagyo ang dumaan sa atin sa 23 araw. 23 days, 6 na bagyo. Mabuti naman kung yung mga signal number 1 lang. Pero hindi. Ang nangyari, dahil ka sa climate change, I'm sure naririnig naman ninyo lahat yan. And itong nangyari. Kaya ang performance ng SOLCOM, both in the AFP and of course our police first responders, lahat kayo, ay marami kayong kaya't ipagmamalaki natin compared sa ibang lugar. At ito hindi sinasabi ko yung mga mayayaman ng bansa, kagaya ng Amerika, kagaya ng nasa Europa, mas maganda ang performance natin. And when it comes to minimizing casualties at ang response, tayo ngayon sa Pilipinas ang kinikilala na kabisado, alam na alam ang gagawin kapag may dumating na disaster na ganyan. Unfortunately, we have too much experience, kaya na tayo natuto. But I'm glad that we are performing. That recognition is because of your good work that you have done. So congratulations for that fine performance, and please keep it up. I just had a briefing from your commander, General Palafox, on the general situation in the area of operation of the SOLCOM. And ang pinakamalaking pagbabago na nakikita natin ay ngayon ang SOLCOM, kasama na sa trabaho ng SOLCOM ay ang territorial defense. At again, nakakatiyak naman ako na nababalitaan ninyo ang mga pangyayari at parang pabigat ng pabigat ang nagiging hamon sa atin. Kaya kailangan natin, ang trabaho natin ay ipagpatuloy na maging mapayapa ang ating mga isla, ang ating mga sovereign territory, sa maritime territory. And now that has become part of the mission of the Southern Luzon Command. Whereas before, it was only with the internal threats that we were having to deal with. But now, because of the good work that you have been doing, dahil nakikita naman natin very clearly na malaki ang progress na nangyayari. Marami sa mga CTG, ay na-neutralize na, both vertical and horizontal organizations. Kaya sana patuloy ang inyong success rate dahil so far magandang performance, at iniisip na ngayon natin how do we transition the SOLCOM so that you can use more resources for the territorial security aspect of your new mission. But the way we will do that is that kailangan we have to bring the level of activity by the communist terrorist groups. We have to bring down that level of activity to the point where it is possible for the AFP to hand over the duties of the internal threat, because it is now a law enforcement operation. So, maliwanag naman, hindi law enforcement operation ang ginagawa ng AFP, but kung minsan, ganun na nangyayari because we have to adjust to the circumstances. But technically, if we can move that along, kaya meron tayong schedule para sana masabi natin yung mga area na tinitingnan pa natin that masasabi na insurgency free na at mapabawasan na ang load sa ating mga sundalo, at may lilipat na sa duties ng PNP. Kaya the reason that we arrived at this point is because, as I said, maganda yung inyong success rate sa pag-dismantle, sa pag-neutralize sa mga personalities, sa pag-dismantle ng communist terrorist organizations, lahat ng mga grupo. So, ipagpatuloy natin yung ginagawa. Keep up the good work. And we will get to that point where we can say that we can already transition fully, or at least the majority of our resources can transition already to the defense of our territory. But altogether, I was surprised when I was looking at my schedule that I am always here in Southern Luzon. So in the past few, unfortunately because of the typhoon, sayang sana mas magandang dahilan, pero kaya't nandyan. Ngunit hindi pa ako nakarating sa kampo ng Camp Nakar. And I said, so now I insisted to come with here so that I can meet with the personnel, the officers, the men and women of all those who are stationed here. So I'm very happy to be able to see this, and I'm even happier to be able to note that your successes, maganda ang inyong performance sa inyong trabaho. Keep up the good work. And we in the civilian government are completely behind you. Huwag kayong nalililang sa mga nangyayari. Let's stay focused. Pare-pareho tayo. Ako, ganun ang kanilang isip. Pagka maraming maingay na nangyayari, iniisip ko lagi, ano ba talaga trabaho ko? Trabaho ko ba yung makipag-away dyan? Trabaho ko ba makapag-debate dyan sa mga walang kwentang bagay? Hindi. Ang trabaho ko, pagandahin ang Pilipinas. Kayo naman, may mission din kayo. Kaya, huwag ninyo, pagka medyo naguguluhan kayo, isipin lang ninyo, alalahanin ninyo, what is my mission? What is my mission? Your mission is to defend the people and the Republic of the people of the Republic of the Philippines and the state of the Republic of the Philippines. Basta't maliwanag sa pag-iisip natin. We have the same mission. I do it from the civilian end, kayo sa military, police end. Pero pareho ang mission natin. Let's keep that mission clear in our mind. And kung nadidistract tayo, siyempre maraming sigaw, maraming ingay. Pag nadidistract tayo, at sabi ko, paano na ito? Ay, madali yan sagot dyan. Ano ba mission ko? Yun ang tutuparin ko. Keep up the good work. Well done. Congratulations.